In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a LinkedIn message to a hiring manager. This is a vital skill for anyone looking to make professional connections, apply for jobs, or simply expand their network on LinkedIn. Follow along, and in just about 5 minutes, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to reach out effectively. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the LinkedIn website. Once there, you have a couple of options for signing in. If you have a Google account, you can select Sign in with Google for a quick entry. Alternatively, you can continue with your existing LinkedIn account by entering your credentials. This step ensures that you're starting from a place of security and personalization. After you've successfully logged in, it's time to find the hiring manager you want to connect with. Start by moving your cursor to the search bar at the top of the page. This is your gateway to the vast LinkedIn network, allowing you to pinpoint individuals, companies, and job listings. Now type in the name of the hiring manager you're aiming to reach. Make sure you've got their name spelled correctly to avoid any missteps. As you type, LinkedIn's intuitive search functionality will begin to offer suggestions, making it easier to find the right person. Once you've found the potential hiring manager in the search results, you'll want to access their full profile for a more comprehensive view. Look for the View Full Profile option. This click is your first step towards making a personal connection, giving you insight into their professional background, mutual connections, and more. Upon entering their profile, you'll see the message button. This is where the pathway to direct communication opens. Click on it with the intention to craft a message that's professional, concise, and personalized. Bear in mind, the way you introduce yourself and the value you express in wanting to connect can make all the difference. Before you proceed to type your message, you'll notice an option to add note. This feature is particularly useful when you haven't connected with the person yet. It allows you to introduce yourself, explain why you're reaching out, and potentially why you'd like to connect. However, it's important to mention that sometimes to message certain individuals on LinkedIn, especially those outside your immediate network, you might need a premium account. This is due to LinkedIn's privacy and connection policies designed to maintain professional and respectful communication. While composing your message or note, remember the importance of making a great first impression. Begin with a polite greeting, introduce yourself briefly, and succinctly state the purpose of your message. Whether you're inquiring about a job position, seeking career advice, or establishing a professional connection, clarity and respect are key. In wrapping up your message, it's always a good practice to thank the person for their time and consideration. A courteous closing not only leaves a positive impression, but also opens the door for future communication. Sending a LinkedIn message to a hiring manager or any professional contact doesn't have to be daunting. With the steps outlined in this video, you're well on your way to making meaningful connections. Remember, each message is an opportunity to expand your network, learn, and grow professionally. So take that step, craft your message with confidence, and who knows, it might just lead to the next big opportunity in your career. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to message a hiring manager on LinkedIn. Whether you're job hunting, networking, or building your professional presence online, mastering LinkedIn messaging is a powerful tool in your arsenal. Until next time, keep striving towards your career goals with determination and poise.